I've been using Samsung DeX, watching football and editing videos inside these lightweight Rokid AR Spatial glasses for the last week. Working on the go will never be the same again. Let's go. The world is moving towards a new way of computing, one that puts you in the center of the environment with the screen attached to you everywhere you go. The Rokid AR Spatial pack with the Rokid Max2 plus the Rokid Station is a lightweight, futuristic system that legitimately will offer you something like you've never seen before. Before I really crack into this, I just want to talk about the Christmas promotion that Rokid have right now. Rokid AR Spatial is only $499, nearly 30% off. It's the lowest price in their history. After Christmas is done, these prices will not last. It's a once-a-year deal. Other products in the store are also up to 60% off as well, so make sure you head there to get the perfect Christmas gift for your loved ones, because after that, it's too late. Before I sort of talk about my use cases and what I've found myself doing with them, let's talk about what these are and what they do. These glasses have a full-on high-definition display, one that actually allows you to create a multi-screen experience. So instead of a desk needing bulky monitors sort of attached to it, you can actually create a virtual multi-window environment with the glasses on. So you can actually have 3 apps running separately next to each other with the glasses on. And you know that I love multitasking. It's part of the reason why I love Samsung DeX so much, which I'll talk about in a moment. So being able to sit there and watch a video on one screen and check social media or read a news article on another is great, because it means I can just jump from one to the next without having to fiddle around and open and close things. It's all there in front of me. It's very easy to get to as well. You just navigate with the Rokid Station to the toggle and then change it into multi-window and then just launch another app. And then the app that you launch will just open next to the one that you've had open before. But you also might just want to focus on one thing, because if you've got something directly in front of you, maybe you don't want to be distracted, and you can put it into theater mode, which will then expand it out all the way in front of you and let you focus on the thing that's happening right in front of you. And you can also customize the size of that. With the little handle in each corner, you can drag it out to be bigger, up to 300 inches in size, by the way, or smaller, and just sort of have it sit around 8 meters away from your face. It's kind of like being in your own home cinema in a way. It adjusts to if you're lying down, or if you're sitting up, or if you're sort of moving your head around. It's got the understanding to know where you're looking, and it sort of will follow you. And it's not just the screen size that you can adjust as well. They've also got different screen ratios. So you can go into ultra-wide screen mode if you want to, and that'll just fully stretch it out, kind of like an ultra-wide monitor. Or you've got narrow mode as well. So if you're scrolling social media, you might prefer that one, because that'll narrow everything down and give you a more familiar aspect ratio for apps like Twitter or X, for example. Any display or any product that you use these days is really only as useful as its ecosystem of apps. The Rokid system is powered by the Yoda OS operating system. OS means operating system. Doesn't matter. And it supports the Google Play Store and Android apps. You can go into there and download familiar apps from the Play Store that you might want to put on there. They've also got their own native apps too, and a lot of big players are supported in there, like Xbox Game Pass or Steam Link, which means you can go in there and download those apps natively to the device as well. But the fact that it's got the Play Store means you can download Netflix, you can download Apple TV, sit there and browse your favorite shows, or sit there and watch the GOAT, Lionel Messi, destroy teams on the football field. And because it's an entertainment device as well as a productivity one, there's other modes to sort of support that. It's got a sports mode, and it's got a reading mode too. So if you want to engage in a football match a little bit more in depth, or if you just want to read a book or read a news article, you've got the option to activate different modes to take advantage of the content that you're viewing. And with the developer community really sort of building this out, there's some spatial apps that already come preloaded, and you can go in and browse specific spatial apps that you can access from the App Store as well. Around 35 spatial apps for free, I believe, are available, which is great. I tried one of them. It's a little pet VR one, and yeah, it was fun. I didn't know what was happening, but it was fun to use. I'll dive deeper specifically into this in a moment, but it connects a host of devices because it's just USB-C. Samsung DeX, which I'm definitely a proponent of, so I'll be showing you that. Game consoles like Nintendo Switch, for example, or PS5, connect them up, or even remote link, via Steam Link or Xbox Game Pass. Now, these aren't the only AR sort of spatial glasses that are sort of out there in the market, but they do have some advantages over what else is out there. Some of the stuff I've already mentioned, like the wider range of apps and ecosystem with the Play Store and then the native apps that they've got on board as well. And also the things like the flexible screen ratios, where it can support up to ultra-wide And it's even got the narrow mode option too. But the big one for me, I think, is the wider range of support for sort of glasses and people that need that sort of stuff on their face to support their own vision. It's got vision adjustment inbuilt from 0 to -6.00D. And that just means it supports myopia and prescription optical lenses. So if you've got glasses that are prescription, there's an adjustment you can make to support them inbuilt into the software. All of these just expand the use case for it because you can use it not just for viewing content, but as you're about to see, there's other stuff that you can do with this too. The other option too is the Vision Pro that exists costs a lot more. And for the majority of people, what you're going to be using this for is practicality and entertainment, and you're paying a fraction of the price for the thing that you're mostly going to use it for anyway. So competitors aside, what can you actually do with these in sort of real life scenario? And how can you connect it with what you already own to sort of enhance them even more? Well, the first thing I had to try was Samsung DeX. It was just the only thing I could really think of to really take advantage straight away because I love DeX. I love plugging it into things, and this is just another thing to plug DeX into. So I moved house recently. As you can see, I'm in my new studio, but sometimes you don't want to just be stuck inside a studio working. So yes, I have my DeX station that I've set up, but I've also got a nice outdoor area by the pool. So sometimes you just want to take your work outside. And what's great with this is you don't really need to pack much up. So you just have to pack the glasses, a keyboard, and the phone, and that is it. You don't need a big bulky monitor to drag around with you. It's just those three things. So then you take them, you unpack them on the table. And again, that setup process is very easy. It's just as simple as taking them out of your bag, plugging the cables into each device that needs cables plugged into, and then it launches. Samsung DeX is on your face, ready to go. The great thing with DeX is because it utilizes the phone screen as a mouse pad, I don't need a mouse. So I can just use my finger on the screen, and I've got the keyboard to sort of type away with, and I've got my productivity environment. These are transparent, so you can kind of see through the glasses into the environment externally, which is great. Like I said, you can sort of take in the outdoors whilst also still doing your work on the inside. And because you can move your head around and it sort of follows you, you're not losing track of where you are. It sort of goes with you when you move your head. Sensational. And then when you're done, it's a simple pack down procedure too. Just unplug everything, pack the glasses away into their nice convenient carry case, pack it into your bag and go back inside. And that kind of use case extends out into laptop usage as well. So I just spent some time with the Rokid glasses on whilst I was editing videos at my dining table. There's two things that I noticed in using them that are actually really beneficial, sort of on the go productivity, especially for sort of content creation. The first is that it actually helps correct your posture and how you're looking at your content that you're editing or working on. Because normally when you've got a laptop sitting here on a desk or on a table, you're sort of crouched over and hunched over it and having to really sort of creep down to look at it properly because of the angle that the laptop screen is on. You're not sort of maintaining that sort of straight posture. With these on, what actually works really well is that they correct that because you can keep your head at any position you like, looking straight ahead, and you'll be able to see at sort of eye level. And because, of course, it follows you around, it's really beneficial to sort of keep you sort of still and in a good posture. The second is it keeps you in tune with your environment. So because it's kind of got like pass through without sort of having anything active about it, they're glasses. So you can actually see through your content at what's in front of you. So for me, I've got kids. So if they're sort of walking around in front of the frame and they want something or need something, it's great to be able to see that without being too distracted by funneling myself into the content that I'm looking on. And it's great too because you just have to connect the USB-C from the laptop into this and away you go. You're good to go. Another place the Rokids have been incredibly useful is laying down in bed. Now, it's very dark in here and there's kind of good reason for that. I wanted to lie down and sort of catch up on some content and do it in a comfortable way. Yes, I've got a TV in the room, but again, similar to the way the laptop and the editing situation was, when you're lying down, you don't really want to be craning your neck to be looking at the TV. So again, this kind of gives you the opportunity to lay down in a natural position and just look where your eyes would go without having to move or position your body in an awkward way. And because you can move the things around in the software too, It sort of guides you in that process. And then you can just sort of put content on that you want to watch, whether it be YouTube or your own videos. You can kind of go in and just consume. It's great. And just the ease of it and the convenience of it means that you're going to be comfortable whilst also being entertained at the same time. With Rokid, you aren't just sort of buying into a product, you're kind of investing into a brand. And it's a brand that's been invested in this technology since 2020. Realistically, before the mass producing of the space by other major players. The AR spatial system that I just showed you is actually their third generation of this. So they're building their own ecosystem and they are invested in it. They want to pretty much be the leader of the entire AR industry. Like I said at the start, make sure you jump on to this Christmas special. There is a discount code that you can use below as well, but right now, $4.99, 30% off. It's an incredible value for a thing that is really, really value adding to what you do with your life already. So make sure you hit the link below. Thank you to Rokid for sponsoring this video as well. I love products that take advantage of Samsung DeX in particular. It's great. Hit subscribe to Technical Benefits. Plenty more to come this year. It's not done yet. And I'll see you guys in the next one. You!